The Gelada is a species of Old World monkey that belongs to the subfamily Cercophothecinae. It is native to the Ethiopian highlands in East Africa. The term Gelada baboon is a misnomer. While the Gelada is often referred to as the Gelada baboon, or Gelada bleeding heart baboon, it's important to clarify that Geladas are not actually baboons. They belong to a distinct genus and are not closely related to true baboons. The fur of Geladas is mainly brown or grey-brown, which provides them with camouflage in their grassland habitats. Males often have a silvery white saddle-shaped patch on their back, which contrasts with the surrounding fur color. The most notable color feature of Geladas is the bright red skin on their chest and neck. This skin is sometimes called the bleeding heart because it becomes more pronounced when they're excited or during social interactions. Geladas are medium-sized monkeys with a robust build. They are larger than typical baboons but still smaller than some other Old World monkey species. They have a unique adaptation for their specialized diet. Their teeth are adapted for grazing on grasses, featuring large incisors and small canines. This dental adaptation is quite distinct from the dental structure of true baboons. Geladas have a tuft of hair on their head that resembles a lion's mane. This feature, along with their red chest patch, contributes to their distinctive appearance. Their hands and feet are well suited for both climbing and terrestrial walking. While they are not as adapted for a fully arboreal lifestyle as some other monkeys, they can still move effectively through trees when necessary. Adult male Geladas are typically larger than adult females. Adult males generally have a body length ranging from around 70 to 75 centimeters excluding their tail. Their tails can add another 45 to 50 centimeters to their overall length. Adult females are slightly smaller, with body lengths ranging from approximately 50 to 60 centimeters excluding the tail. Adult male Geladas can weigh between 18 to 22 kilograms. Adult females are lighter, with weights ranging from 11 to 16 kilograms. Geladas live in organized social groups called bands. A band typically consists of multiple adult females, their offspring, and a dominant male. The dominant male is responsible for protecting the group from potential threats and maintaining social order within the band. Grooming plays an important role in maintaining social bonds within the group. Geladas engage in social grooming, where individuals groom each other's fur and remove parasites. This behavior helps strengthen relationships and reduce tensions within the group. Dominance hierarchies are present within Gelada bands, with a single dominant male at the top. This male has access to the most resources and mates. Other males may form bachelor groups or live alone until they can challenge and replace the dominant male. Geladas engage in various forms of play, including chasing, wrestling, and mock fighting. Play behaviors help young individuals develop physical and social skills, as well as strengthen social bonds within the group. Geladas emit low-frequency grunts and grumbles as a form of communication. These sounds are often used to express contentment, alertness, or relaxation within the group. Males sometimes emit deep roars, especially during aggressive encounters or when asserting dominance. Roaring is often associated with territorial disputes or when a dominant male is threatened. Geladas use chirps and whistles to communicate with group members, particularly during activities like feeding and grooming. These vocalizations help maintain group cohesion and coordination. Geladas have a unique behavior known as lip flipping. This involves pulling back their lips to expose their teeth and gums, while making vocalizations. Lip flips are used in various social contexts and can signal submission, dominance, or other emotional states. Geladas sometimes perform a vocalization known as a wobble during social interactions. This involves producing a rapid series of sounds that resemble a wobbling or warbling noise. Wobbles are used during friendly encounters and are associated with affiliative behaviors. Geladas emit high-pitched screams when they are alarmed or threatened by potential predators. These screams can alert other group members to the presence of danger. Geladas use contact calls to keep track of the whereabouts of other group members. These calls help maintain group cohesion and prevent individuals from becoming separated. Geladas use vocalizations to establish and maintain the territorial boundaries. These calls are often loud and intense, serving as warnings to neighboring groups to stay away. Geladas are one of the few primate species that are predominantly herbivorous, with grasses making up a significant portion of their diet. They consume a variety of grass species, including both leaves and stems. They are especially adapted to efficiently graze on grasses using their specialized dental structure. Geladas have large incisors that are well suited for cropping and biting grass. Their molars are flat and wide, allowing them to grind down tough plant material effectively. These dental adaptations help Geladas process the tough, fibrous vegetation found in their grassland habitats. Geladas spend a significant amount of time foraging for grasses. They use their hands to gather and bring grass close to their mouths for consumption. The social structure of Gelada bands is influenced by their grazing habits. Living in groups allows them to effectively search for and exploit grass patches. While grasses form the core of their diet, Geladas may also consume other plant material, such as herbs and seeds, when available. Occasionally, Geladas have been observed consuming insects or small invertebrates, but these make up a very small portion of their overall diet. Gelada bands are organized around a dominant male, often referred to as the leader or unit male. This dominant male has primary mating access to the females within the group. Other males in the band may be subordinate to the dominant male and typically have fewer opportunities to mate. Dominant males have the highest reproductive success within a band. They engage in frequent mating with the adult females. Females have a roughly 6-month gestation period. After giving birth, they usually have a short postpartum estrus, during which they may mate again. A female's postpartum estrus can lead to confusion about the paternity of her offspring. This confusion might be advantageous, as it could deter infanticide by other males who can't definitively determine the parentage of a newborn. Female Geladas typically give birth to a single offspring. Twins are rare. The mother carries and cares for the infant, which clings to her belly during the early weeks of life. As the infant grows, it gradually starts riding on its mother's back. Female-female relationships are important during birthing and infant care. Close female friends often assist each other during labor and help with infant care. Subordinate males may attempt to mate with females, but they often face aggression from the dominant male. Subordinate males may form bachelor groups, where they interact and establish their own social hierarchies. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.